you how you can make things from Lego. But first we're gonna learn what is Lego. So we are gonna learn what's Lego. Yeah, right? But let's start with this little car. From Lego, you stick things together to make some things. If you do not have Lego, you can buy them. But it's okay if it's nighttime. You can buy it tomorrow and you can do it tomorrow. Or you can just see it today and do it again tomorrow. So, Lego is something that you can stick like this. You can stick 1, 2, and then add in 2 other pieces that you made. So I made a car already without instruction. It's really cool, right? I didn't want it to do it. I didn't want to add a people here because I thought it would be cool like this. But it's okay. You can do whatever you want. This is how I actually like to play. I'm gonna pretend that it's like a car robot. I kind of like it. So I'm gonna show you how to build. So first, let's make a road for the car. So I have the car here. You want to see? Okay, maybe down here right now. See it? So let's start with like this piece and this. So we're gonna snack it together right here. This is like a 4 by 6, and this is a 8 by 6 block. They're both flat, so we did it. Now, maybe you want to, now we're gonna need this. We're gonna put it like backwards like these, like this. And another one the same, like this. If you want to look at the back, that's why I keep turning it like this and like this. So, we done the first part, that's this. So let's work on the second part. So this is like one plate for it to stand, but it's gonna go driveway like that, but like kind of like this. So the bridge will kind of be this way, so that's why we have it. Now it's time to make the second part. This is not a part because I made it already, so let's keep doing it. Now we're gonna need this, and let's see what else we can use. Now we can use one of this and one of this. You're gonna type it right here, 4 blocks, and one here, 4 blocks. I only know there are 4 here and 1. And 16 blocks on this row and 4 blocks on this row. Literally like 12 or 4. I'm trying to do math now, but no math. If you don't know math, you don't need to know math to do this. Now we're gonna need one of this. We're gonna put it right back over here. And now we're gonna need one of this, and we're gonna put it right here. Like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We're gonna need this. Now we're gonna need more of this, and we're gonna put it right under here, so we can know that it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But on each side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 here and 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 here, 2 here. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are 8 blocks in total. Everybody knows what's math, so Now we're gonna stick the first part and second part together. So we're gonna have like 1, 2, 3 connected, like this. If you don't understand, you can look for more videos about Lego. And then we completed our first and second part, so it's smooshed into 12 parts. Okay? Okay, so let's see. Let's make our second part. I know something really special for our second part. Oh, I found it. We're gonna need one of this, and we can use one of this. By accident, a long time ago I used to add the sticker, but you're not gonna need it. You can have any color that you need, and you don't need to make this. This is only to be inspired, guys. I'm gonna face this sticker down so you don't see it, so we don't know where we did it. Okay, now we can use this. And push it right here. And now that's the third part connected, so it will be right 3 blocks the same there. So it's gonna be connected in 3 blocks. You do not need to legally like 1, 2 house and 4. 2 house and 4. So I'm gonna do this quicker, so this is not like a movie. Why wouldn't we make 2 boats? So we can have 1 boat for dressing, 1 boat for regular. So we can, so let's start with the dress-up boat. We can use a helmet for the dress-up boat right here. What else we can use? We can use this. Whoa. They're not things. We can put it right here. It's not sticking. Like this. I'm gonna make something for the helmet. Something that it will stand on, so that doesn't mind, okay? Now we're gonna need a head. We're gonna need a cap for the head. Let's dress, and now we're gonna might use this. Now we must be pants. Yeah, I just found one. I need to. Why wouldn't I take black pants? Does he look cool? Yeah. So let's gonna put this green one back right here. And let's put him here. And now here's the regular boat. So let's get it moving with the second boat. The second boat, I want to move it, but with something in the air. So it must, maybe it has a hole here, so that's why it thinks that I can use this and this, so I can connect it. I can connect this as I touch the floor, and put this as I put it in it. I'm trying my fast as I can go. And now I made my boat. So this is cool. So he has 2 boats. So I made a car for the driveway. And that's all for today. Bye bye, friends. I hope you have an awesome day with your family. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye bye. I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.